yoga you do, please understand the yoga you are doing here is not stretching the body. Sadashiva gives a set of muscle awakening techniques to awaken your muscles which are frozen due to compulsive muscle memory. For example, morning you get up with certain thought current. You go to washroom with certain thought current. And you get into your car, go to office. If you see your whole day, there are only few muscles you use and there are many muscles you don't even remember they exist. You don't even remember them that they exist. You are so busy in your obsessive thought currents, the compulsive behavior patterns, many of you don't even know many muscles exist in you. Sadashiva gives a set of exercise to awaken all those muscles. And today you would have had a light yoga. From tomorrow you will be put on a pole. I don't know whether how many of you know that. Men will be put on a pole and women will be put on a rope. Don't worry. You do not need to worry. And it will be very smooth. You will not even feel it's difficult. It is done in a very systematic way as Sadashiva has instructed to awaken all the muscles you have, to introduce your body to you. That is one of the important things need to be done. Introducing your body to you. The yoga you are doing is specifically aimed at breaking all your compulsive muscle memories. See, your muscles do have a memories. That is why the people who are driving every day, if you are driving from your house to office and office to home every day, sometimes only after reaching the home you remember you started from your office. But you drove. No accident, you drove. Just like car can be automatic gear, your muscle memory can be in automatic gear. Sometimes it is beneficiary, sometimes it becomes compulsive behavior patterns. Your muscles need to become conscious.